did it, it was hard. I just pulled up to the studio and laid it on the line. I just shot enough fish inside a barrel till I hit. Now I'm sipping on some shit you never heard of, looking fine. Son, I'm flying. It's hot. It's hot in here. I wonder why. I'm that motherfucking guy. On the Hunt did the beat. Chandler advised. We don't do this for free. We're getting paid for it. We don't do this for cheap unless you're mutual. I walked up in the club and said the usual. I came a long way from talking shit inside cubicles. I'm on a run like there's nothing to it. No thoughts, I just fucking do it. You, no fun, you're just getting through it. I'm just getting better, that's just how I'm doing. Making music, getting to it. New shit, no shit, exclusive. Me, so fun, I ain't through with it. I'm just getting better, that's just how I'm doing. Making music.